Right afternoon match, Ambazari versus Kinchling match. Service goes to Kinchling. Kinchling versus Ambazari match. This is afternoon match. Yes, Ambazari team, Ashirwad, Pitambar, Mohan, Levi, Runa, and Maxi. This is Ambazari teams and Kinchling team, Simhadri, Manas. Yes, two teams, big teams. Service goes to Kinchling. This is afternoon match, first match. Right score, Kinchling 1-0. Service goes to Kinchling. Kinchling score 1, Ambazari 0. This is Ambazari home grounds. Ambazari versus Kinchling match. Oh. Service goes to Kinchling, score 2-0. Score 2-0. Kinchling score 2, Ambazari 0. Yes, this is afternoon match. Ambazari versus Kinchling, home grounds from Ambazari. Ambazari captain Mohan. Kinchling captain Simhadri. Mohan versus Simhadri. Service goes to Kinchling, score 3-0. Kinchling score 3, Ambazari 0. Match is running. Home grounds from Ambazari. Two team players, big players. What a match. This afternoon match. Kinchling versus Ambazaris. Kinchling captain Simhadri. Service goes to Kinchling, score 4-0. This is afternoon match. Score 4-0. Kinchling captain Simhadri. Ambazari captain Mohan. Mohan versus Simhadri. Service goes to Ambazari. Captain Mohan. Score 0-4. What a game, what a playing players. Two team players. Ambazari players. Kinchling players. Playing well. Good timing, good shots, good taken. Service goes to Kinchling, score 4-0. Kinchling score 4. Ambazari 0. What a match, afternoon match. Home ground from Ambazari. Big players. Ashirwad, Mohan, Manas, Simhadri. Two team players. Oh. Service goes to Ambazari, score 0-4. What a shot by Mohan. This is Daba volleyball from Ambazari grounds. Ambazari versus Kinchling match. What a match, afternoon match. This is big match. What a playing players. Good timing, good takens, good shots. Score 4-0. Ambazari score 0. Kinjiling score 4. Service goes to Ambazari, score 1-4. Ambazari open the point, score 1. Yes, what a shot. Service goes to Ambazari, score 2-4. Score 2-4. Ambazari score 2. And Kinjiling score 4. What a match. What a shot by Mohan. Service goes to Ambazari, score 3-4. What a chasing by Ambazari players. This is attacking game. Game is running. Score 3-4. Ambazari score 3. Kinjiling score 4. This is home grounds from Ambazari. Ambazari captain Mohan. Kinjiling captain Simhadri. Simhadri versus Mohan. This is afternoon match, first match. Yes, what a playing players. Big player Ashirwad, hitter. Yes. What a game by players. Two team players playing as well. Service goes to Kinjiling, score 4-3. Score 4-3. Kinjiling score 4, Ambazari 3. Game is running. This is Daba volleyball from Ambazari own grounds. Yes, what a game. Good weather. Good ground. Yes, this is interesting match. Service goes to Ambazari, score 3-4. Ambazari score 3. Kinjiling score 4. What a shot by Mohan. Yes, good taken by Ashirwad. What a diving. This is game. Kinjiling versus Ambazari. Oh, yes. Game is running. What a shot. Perfect shots. But two team players playing as well. Kinjiling players. Ambazari players. What a shot. Service goes to Ambazari, score 4 equal. 4 all. 4 Saman. What a match. What a chasing by Ambazari players. Score 4-4. Ambazari 4. Kinjiling 4. This is game. This is Daba volleyball from Ambazari home grounds. Afternoon match, first match. Oh. Service goes to Kinjiling. Score 4 equal. 4 all. Yes. Service goes to Ambazari captain Mohan. Score 4 equal. 4 all. What a shot by Pitambar. Yes, this is the game. What a playing players. Good shots, good takens, good timing. Service goes to Kinjiling. Score 4 equal. 4-4. Ambazari 4. Kinjiling 4. Service goes to Kinjiling. What a shot. Wow. Yes. Good taken. Service goes to Kinjiling. Score 5-4. Kinjiling score 5. And Ambazari score 4. What a match. What a game. Afternoon game. This is Daba volleyball from Ambasari home grounds. Service goes to Kinchling, score 6-4. Score 6-4. Kinchling score 6. Ambasari 4. Game is running. Yes, players, all players playing well. Ambasari hitter Ashirvad and Kinchling hitter Manas. Two team players, big players. 6-4, Kinchling score 6. Service goes to Kinchling, score 7-4. Score 7-4, Kinchling score 7. Ambasari 4. What a game by Kinchling players. Yes. What a shot by Ashirvad. But too good taken by Kinchling players. Yes, Kinchling score 7, Ambasari 4. Match is running. This is afternoon match. First match, Kinchling versus Ambasari. Good teams, good players. But who is win, who is lost? Please watch this match. Good timing.